Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a pristine 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home in Greenwood, Montego Bay on approximately 0.4 acres. Greenwood borders the parish of Trelawney and is home to professionals and returning residents. The property is a two-family home with section 1 comprising of 3 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, kitchen, large living and dining area, in-unit laundry, along with a 2-car garage. The second are income generating section as a kitchen, living room and 2 spacious bedrooms with 2 bathrooms with adequate parking. Also, enjoy a large backyard that is well fruited. Enjoy the convenience of living within close proximity to shopping areas. Greenwood Plaza is 2 minutes away, as well as is within 30 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37.5 million or US $243,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.